Assalamualaikum. Nasra Public School eConnect. Class 4 Subject Mathematics. Topic LCM. Lesson 1 Part C. Week 3. Least common multiple or lowest common multiple, LCM. Look at the following example shown on your screen. Here are the multiples of 4, that is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so on. How did you find these multiples? Just multiply 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. You will have the multiples of 4. How will you find the multiples of 6? Just multiply the number 6 with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on, and you will have the multiples of 6. Now we will have to find the common multiples of 4 and 6, that are 12, because 12 is also the multiple of 4 and also the multiple of 6. Therefore 12 is the common multiple of 4 and 6. Now another number is 24, because 24 is also the multiple of 4 and 24 is also the multiple of 6. Therefore 24 is the common multiple of 4 and 6. Another common multiple is 36 and so on. And as we have to find the LCM, means lowest common multiple, therefore the lowest means the smallest, and the smallest is the first. The first common multiple is 12, therefore it is the LCM of 4 and 6. LCM, find the LCM by prime factorization method. How do you find prime factorization? To find the LCM of 72 and 96, first we will find the LCM of 72 by prime factorization method. 72 is to be divided by 2, because 72 has the last number is 2. That is an even number, and even numbers can be divided completely by 2. Therefore we will divide 72 by 2 first. 2 36 are 72, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18. As we have 9 here and 9 cannot be divided by 2, therefore we will use another prime number, that is 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, and when we got 1 in the last, it means our prime factorization has been completed. Another number is 96. Find the prime factors of 96. As you can see, in 96 the last number is 6, that is an even number, and even numbers can be divided by 2 completely. Therefore we will divide by the first prime number, by the 96 by 2. 2 48s are 96. 48 can also be divided by 2, that is 2 24s are 48, and 24 is also can be divided by 2, that is 2 12s are 24. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now we have 3 here, and 3 cannot be divided by 2, therefore 3 can divided by 3. 3 1s are 3. Now we have 1 in the last, it means our prime factorization has been done. Now we will list down the prime factors of 72 and the prime factors of 96, and LCM of 72 and 96 can be carried out by writing down the common multiples and the uncommon multiples. The common multiples and uncommon multiples will be multiplied together and give the LCM, that is 288. Example 2. LCM can be found by short division method. Short division method, LCM of 12 and 20 is calculated as, you have to find the LCM of 12 and 20. It means short division method, you have taken out LCM by prime factorization method. In that method you find the prime factorizations of first number and then another number, and then you list down these numbers and find out the common multiples, common prime factors. Okay, common prime factors. Here you will write down both numbers in one prime factorization way and find and divide it together. As you can see, 12 and 22 are 12 and 20 are written together and are dividing by 2. 2 6 are 12 and 2 10s are 20. Now we got 6 and 10. We will divide 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. Now we have 3 and 5. Now we can divide 3, but we cannot divide 5 by 3. Therefore 5 will be written down as same as above. 3 ones are 3 and 5 will copy it down again, and as we got 1 in place of 3, therefore it means 3 has been done. Now 5 is remaining, then we have to divide 5. Therefore we will take another prime factor, that is 5, that can divide 5. 5 ones are 5. Now we have got 1 in the last. It means our prime factorization has been completed. Now we have the prime factors of 12 and 20 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and when we multiplied all these factors, we will find 60. We will have 60, that is the LCM of 12 and 20. Thank you.